Welcome back. And it's possible you may want to capture the audio from a source that's coming through your personal computer. For example, you may want to capture the audio from a webinar. You may want to capture the audio from a specific live video, and you can use Audacity in order to do it. What you're going to do here in Audacity, if you're using the Multimedia Events process, you're going to switch to Windows WAS API. You're going to see the change. And what's going to happen then is you want to change the input into Audacity. And what you're going to do is you're going to make it so that the input is actually going to be the same source that will be playing through your speakers. And so you're going to notice here that you have more choices in terms of your input. You're going to choose the input that is actually your speaker output to play into Audacity. And you're going to see the words loop back here, and that's going to be an indicator that the sound is going to be coming from the same thing that will be coming from your speakers. So that you can visually see what's actually going to happen, we're going to play the file, and then we're going to click on the record button so that you can then see the sound coming from this actual video. Hello and welcome. You're now looking at Shopify.com. And Shopify is an e-commerce platform that allows you to build in order to sell products to individuals that want to purchase. So what you'll see now here is the audio that has played through our personal computer but has been captured to Audacity, which we can then use as a recording for our purposes. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.